Hello guys, good afternoon and welcome back to our channel Tech with Sachin Pal. And today we are here to do some ads on our spoken English knowledge and just polish our spoken English. So yeah, it's part of our journey and it's my fifth days of 100 days spoken English blog. And today I'm welcoming you all who really want to improve their spoken English. And we are having two categories of peoples. Like in India, we are not, English is not our native language. So yeah, we are not able to speak English with that much amount of fluency. And whenever we want to express our thoughts or feeling in the front of someone, then we are struggling to get the vocabs for express our thought or feelings in the front of someone. So for solving this problem, I'm using a particular technique for mugging up or learning new vocabs, because if we have good amount of vocabs, then we are able to express our knowledge or the view or any situation. If there is any kind of situation, then we are easily able to handle that situation, and we are not struggling to getting the vocabs for making the people understand about any particular situation. So yeah, today I'm just sit in my village field side, and yeah, I want to make you people understand, like if you are struggling to getting the vocabs, then you need to do activity. Like if you get any new vocabs, then you need to search on that and create some real life sentences or phrases using these that particular vocabs. And after that you also need to use that real life sentence in real life conversation. So as a part of this, y- you really need to talk with yourself in English itself, because you need to become familiar with English language. How? Because imagine how you learn your native language only with the help of speaking and realizing or absorbing from our environment, because in our environment there are so many people who are speaking in our native language. So yeah, we are listening these words or sentences very actively. After that, we are applying or speaking that particular sentences or phrases again and again. Then we are going to become usual with these sentences or words. Likewise, we also need to practice spoken English. If we are using spoken English words or sentences in our daily life, and we are doing self talk in English, then we are able to improve or increase our spoken English level, and we are able to represent ourselves in the front of everyone, and we are also able to achieve our extraordinary growth in our life. So yeah, I have also some dreams to make my dream true. I have taken a decision I like that I'm going to sounds like a fluent speaker in spoken English. Whatever situation in the front of me, I'm going to handle that situation very well. And yeah, one more thing, we need to take some decision. We need to take some good decision. After that, we need to create some roadmap for that, and we need to follow that roadmap with some consistency and discipline. Then definitely we are going to see ourselves matching with our goal or dream. So yeah, I'm taking that decision. I'm going to continue it without any skip. Also, feel free to leave your good wishes, and if you find that I need to do some improvement on this journey, then feel free to leave your suggestion over comment, and subscribe to my YouTube channel. And if you really find my content helpful, then please share with your friends and family. Goodbye, take care, have a great day ahead. Goodbye.